Hey guys, Manelki here. Welcome to my first video for tanks. It's just a little project I've been working on for a while. Just building it in C# and XNA. It uses Lidgren for the networking. So yeah, it's just a little thing I've been doing for a little while. Basically, the whole point of making the game is really just to learn. It's just a learning tool. Like, I'm kind of a rookie programmer. I'm really not very good at this stuff, but it's just me trying to figure out what I'm doing. So basically, it's missing a lot of content. Like, this is extremely early in the development cycle. It's nowhere near finished. So it's missing like tons of content. It still needs a lot of polish. You know, like it's missing so much stuff. But it's got the core mechanics are there. Like the tank customization's there, the combat's there, the armor damage model, which I'll show you in a bit, is there. So it's all basically working. It's just a case of adding more to it. So, well, what is tanks? Well, it's a multiplayer twin stick shooter. The idea is you design your own tank, take it online, and battle other people with their tank designs. And right now, there's only one game mode, deathmatch, but of course, I'll be adding more later as the cycle moves on. So first things first, we need to design a tank. So you do that in the tank shop. So as you can see here, there's just little windows which you can move around and scroll or whatever. So we have right now. There's only two choices for each category. So there's 2 weapons to pick from, 2 chassis to pick from, and 2 turrets to pick from. When the game comes out, of course, they'll all have different tactical stats. A little preview here. There's going to be, of course, more equipment, more than just that. There'll be like subsystems and special equipment and whatnot. Right now, basically, I'm just picking this stuff, and then I'm going to exit out, and then it'll save my profile, whatever. Ultimately, when the game comes out, you'll be able to save your own design to a file, so you can load it later. But of course, that'll come later. So yeah, basically, I'll probably just go with the cannon. I don't know. Pick that chassis, and maybe I'll pick the other turret. I'll pick that one. Yeah. Alright, so there's 2 ways to connect to the server. You can use direct IP connect right here, or you can use the server browser, TankNet, which is what we're going to do. So we'll do that. So this is the server browser, and you can see my server just popped up here. You can see there's 2 out of 4 players. Obviously, later on I'll be opening it up to more players, but for now there's only 2. So we'll highlight that and click join and see what we got. Alright. Looks like I forgot to name myself. That was brilliant. Normally I'd put my name in and you'd see it in that list. Looks like Blade has 4 kills and Wraith only has 3. Yeah, that was kind of stupid. Anyway, you can see at the bottom of the screen that sort of green blob with all the lines around it. And basically what that is, that's the armor damage model. So the way it works is when you take a shot to the front of your tank, you'll take damage in the front. If you take a shot to the left, you'll take a little bit of damage to the left, and so on. Just in case little chunks out of your armor, and you'll see that as I get hit. Oh, Righteous Kill Blade. And that other little thing beside it's the capacitor. That's your battery. So everything you do in this game takes battery power. So when you shoot, it takes a little bit of battery. When you move around, it takes some battery. And it's important when you're picking your loadout to sort of build a loadout that'll work. It's like the laser obviously uses a lot more capacitor than the cannon, and so on and so forth. So you have to sort of, design your tank in such a way it's feasible in combat. Right now it's all feasible because there's not enough subsystems to tax your capacitor, but down the line it'll be quite important. So let's jump right into this and see if we can't kill these guys. Oh yeah, there's a chat feature we can do, so let's chat. Alright, let's take these fools on. See if we can't get some kills. You can see the damage model. The game supports the Xbox 360 pad right now, but I suck with it, so I'm just using the keyboard. Getting up on Wraith here. The map, as you can see, isn't finished. There's a bunch of trees. There's a road. Still gotta finish the map, obviously. So there, as you can see at the bottom of the screen, I'm taking damage to my, well, all sides really. I'm kind of getting ganged up on. So the trick is to kind of show the side that's not really damaged. So you kind of twirl around, and like right now my left is hurting, so I gotta show my right. Oh, bumped into Wraith. goes Blade. Take out Wraith here. There he goes. I didn't get the kill, but... So this is basically the way it works. It's not so much a Call of Duty style where it's, you know, 2 bullets kills you and... Oh, now I died. It's more of a... kind of like MechWarrior, I guess, where the fighting's a little bit more drawn out. And, you know, it's kind of like wear them down and, you know, defeat them tactically or just overwhelm them. Kind of, you know, kind of show whatever side you're trying to... has a lot of hit points or whatever. Kind of guard the side that's weak. They're owning me right now, but... So of course it's not finished. It's not perfect. Fraps is kind of killing my frame rate right now. I don't know why, but normally the game runs at a smooth 60 frames a second, and I'm getting murdered here. And Wraith likes to jam into me, so I gotta try and get out of that. And it looks like I'm stuck. That's fine. Oh, I'm dead. Because it's pinned in there. So that's basically the game in a nutshell, the way it is now. Yeah, so that's about all I have to say about it. Hopefully there'll be some more videos in the future. And yeah, it's very hard to talk when I'm recording. But yeah, hopefully there's more videos in the future as the development cycle continues. I'll post the link to the development blog in the description of this video. And yeah, this is Tanks as it is right now, so stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching.